Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. I wish you a great Sunday and hope you have had a great weekend so far. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin is currently following the proposed roadmap. I only want to focus on the smaller time frame because yesterday we covered the weekly and also daily chart really at length. Maybe later today towards the weekly candle close, we can cover the daily again if anything has changed, and also to give everybody a better perspective of the next movements. But overall, at the moment, the action plays out here on the smaller time frame. Bitcoin reacted overnight to the communicated resistance area. Yesterday in the videos, I showed you this area between 63,173 and 68,600 for a possible start of wave C to the downside. I also sent that through yesterday in one of the updates to our gold members. That was, I think, before the video. And the idea was that I've added a micro resistance zone. Resistance is defined between 63,170 and 63,600. Yeah. And a sustained break above the zone could indicate that the price is already on its way to 64,800. But obviously, whenever we add a resistance area to the chart, it is what we are watching for. It is the key pivot we are watching for a possible reaction. So the roadmap showed here an A wave down, a B wave up, and a C wave down for a wider wave 4 in blue or a wider wave B in white. Yes, it could have been the case that we already moved directly towards the next upside target. And as I explained in the videos, I prefer a move to 64,800. But possibly not until we see a little bit more either sideways action here or a touch of support and then go up. Yeah, of course a direct move would be possible. That's sort of my idea, right? That we go higher. I mean, that's the base case, especially as long as the support level is holding, or support area between 62,080 and 60,200. However, of course, what happens up here can take different pathways. So the idea was, let's say, within this space or main thesis that we go higher, because wave 3 here marked in red now, circled in red, that should get to 64,800 next, possibly even higher, but probably not until we get a more extended wave 4 or B wave. The only, I told you yesterday it's my best guess that we do this, ABC, because the correction was already large enough to be called wave 4, for example. Okay, so this could have already bottomed, but the move up from the 20th of September low, from the Friday low, that was just very, very corrective. So we saw clearly that this was only a corrective rally, weak in momentum. So all I did was to add that standard resistance area where we'd normally expect a rejection. That rejection happened. Now, obviously, the question is, okay, is this wave C to the downside, or are we forming here something like a triangle? Usually on weekends, we can also watch for triangles. I'm just highlighting this. We don't have enough, let's say, waves for a triangle. Triangle would mean this was an A wave, this is a B wave, this here now is a C wave. And if we now form, so if the price now fails to form a lower low, because in this pattern I've got on the chart, the price would ideally reach 62,080 or a little lower, yeah, because the 100% extension of the A wave, which is an ideal target for the C wave, points to 62,040, and just above that we've got the 38.2 retracement at 62,080. So in that area here, I would like to see the price, well, at least I would like to see the price get there for a healthy wave C. But the price needs to break below the A wave low at 62,340 to do that. And I just see the tendency here, or I see the potential for a wider sideways action, pattern. That could be a triangle. A, B, C, D, E. In triangles, we're forming higher lows and lower highs, and it's a 5-wave pattern, and we should move a little bit more sideways before we then actually go up. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, we will observe that for today, but for now, that wouldn't change the parameters. I mean, the resistance area created a rejection. If this really is a triangle, the price shouldn't break below that 62,400 level, okay, this Friday low, and would give us a lower high and a higher low. This is not predictable, okay, but it just means, okay, we have a rejection from resistance. Now be on high alert that we could just move sideways instead of down. Overall for me, and that would actually be rather, let's say, more bullish if we see a triangle, because it would more clearly emphasize the idea of trend continuation, which I have here on the chart next anyway. The question is only, does the price offer a deeper pullback into the support area? And to see that, we just need a little bit more downside momentum today. I don't expect too much action today, but probably later in the day we could get some action towards the weekly candle close. Yeah, that's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.